Hello my friends, this is a video about an Oppo 93. I also happen to have an Oppo 83, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's fully boxed up with all accessories, remote and all. There's nothing wrong with the 83, but this one here, I wouldn't play some discs, so I've replaced a mechanism in it, and it is a mechanism that comes from a Sony PS2. So I bought 5 of them, and that's the original one. So it happens that these, even though they're sent in plastic bag, which is a big no-no, I have to transfer them to, and they're all in bubble wrap. They're actually the same as the original one. The board revision is the same. So this was HDCD disc that I was playing there, and here we have a SACD. I want to have a couple of those, thanks to my friend from Adelaide, without whom I wouldn't be able to play. And this is SACD, as you see there, and it just continues to play from yesterday. So it handles those as well, and as you see, it doesn't waste time in searching too much. You know, it sort of pretty much knows what it is. I also have here a BluRay disc, and for this is a BluRay player. Sadly, I only have a Symphony of Wind Instruments or something like that. It's a well, it's not a marching band. It's a Norwegian band that does that kind of music, and that, as you see, it has read very well, and it says blue disc and BluRay disc, but it takes some time because it goes to I think the track it played before. I don't know, I'll press the button. DTS on HDMI. So obviously that one didn't remember where it started, so it needed a prompting. So this player is in very good condition overall. It has these, I think, region mod here. All very nice and neat. I mean, Oppo is known for quality manufacture, and since they stopped doing BluRay players, the latest one of them that does 4K is fetching 2.5 to 3 times the price of when it was new. Well, that's all that soon be available for sale. It's otherwise it's a good and nice unit. Let me check. I'll check the. I connected it up, but forgot to look for the digital output. So let's see what it will do. It will just warm up in a matter of seconds, this oscilloscope, and it will, yeah, perfectly square, as you say. Bit of overshoot there, some artifacts, but leading and trailing edges are just perfectly square. Well, thank you very much for your help. Perfect time. Bye-bye.